Good afternoon, children. We will continue with the topic addition. Okay. First we will revise. Then we will go for this side, row-wise addition. First we will revise whatever we have done. We have to write PO. Suppose this is 1-digit addition. Here you see, I told you this is 8 and this is 2. How you will count in your hand. You have to take the number after 2 from here and you have to go to this point because it is 8. You count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you count 2 after 2. What the number comes? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's number comes? 3. Here it is 2. We will not count from 2. We will take the after number of 2. Then we will start counting. Always remember this in addition also and subtraction also. The same process. Whatever the number is here, we will not count the here number. We will count the from the after number. This 2, but it's the 2's after is 3. We will put your thumb finger here and we will count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why we have count up to here? Because here it is 8. So we have to count till here and come. What comes? 10. 1, 0, 10. So answer will be 1, 0. Okay, this is 1-digit addition. After that, online class also I make you understand this question, this type of question. So I am giving the video also. Here it is. How we will read 63 plus 2. 63 plus 2. Here it is 6, 3. Not only 3, 2. No, 6, 2, 3. No, not like this. You have to say, what's the number? 63 plus 2. Whenever you are doing addition, you have to start from this side. Means this side means one side. Here it is O. You write from one side and from the right hand side. I told you now which is your right hand. From the hand we are writing and eating, that is right hand, and we will start addition from this side. Okay, from one side. So here it is 3, here it is 2. I am not doing by drawing the lines. I am doing by counting the hand because you also know, and those who can't do till now, you practice every day. One day you can do it. So 3 here and it is 2. So 1, 2, 3. We have to count up to this, and here it is 2. So so we will take the number. What is here? See, it is 2. We will take the number after 2. We will calculate. You will see here it is 2. Here it is 2. So we will count from 3, 4, 5 till here because it is here 3. So we have to count 3, 4, 5. So what the number comes? 5. We will write here 5. Here you see nothing is here. Only plus sign, nothing, you just automatically you write this number. Okay. This is one type of 2-digit addition. Everything I teach you online class, just I'm revising. The same one. Okay, now see here how you you pronounce it? 22 plus 43. What you will say? 22 plus 43. Now it is 2-digit addition. 22 plus 43. How you will say? 23 plus 43. Now you will see this side. Here it is 2. Here it is 3. 2 where in your hand? 1, 2. 2 is here and here it is 3. So we will take the after number of 3. 3 after will be 4. We will count up to here 4, 5. Okay. Because up here 2, we have to count up to 2, 4, 5. You just write here 5. Okay. After 5, see here 2. Here it is 4. Here it is 2. Here it is 4. So what we will do? You count up to 2 only. Huh? So number is here 4. 4 after 4 what's the number come? 5. So we'll count from 5, 6. If you are doing by drawing the lines, it's also okay. Here it is 2. How many lines we will draw? 1, 2. Here it is 3. How many lines we will draw? 1, 2, 3. Now total you count the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5. Now see this side. Here it is 2. It is 4. How many lines you have to draw? 2. It is 4. So how many lines you have to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many lines you will draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 6. So 22 plus 43 will be, answer will be 65. These are the type of addition, 2-digit addition we have done. We have done in online class. I think no problem will there. Now second type of addition we will do rows. I ask you, that's why online class. Suppose I've given 2 plus 2. What? 2 plus 2? Those who don't know, you 2. 2. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will be 4. Very easy. This is very easy. Like that only that we have write in column and this is in the row. You must learn this one also. Okay. 2 plus 2 equals to. If you write this only in column wise, this become like this. Same. Whatever we are doing in this way we are doing now in this way. Okay. Now see. 5 plus 3. So here it is 5, here it is 3. Okay, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Total you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total will be 8. Now you can do this way also. Here it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Total you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here. This number when you are writing this in this way, this number will go up and this number will go down. So here it is the same answer. Okay, this is addition in row wise. 2, 3 more we will do. I make you practice in online class only. Please see 8 plus 4. See 8. We can count also. Here it is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it is 4. We will take the after number of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now see, if you are drawing the lines, what number will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now total you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, here also I count in hand. This is also 12. Here also 12. So both the process is correct one and answer will be also same. So this is the row wise addition I make you learn in GIF video, but I make you learn in online class. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.